welcome to Elite Crypto. My name is Alex, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the Binance Spot trade. Alright, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like the video, and also share so that others can see it. Alright, and to my old subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. Love you guys. Now, first thing, make sure you have the Binance exchange already installed on your device. That's the first thing you have to do. If you don't have it, make sure it's installed on your device. And the Binance exchange functions like other exchanges. Alright, so if you can't use Binance and you can use other exchanges, fine, it's just the same thing. Alright, just have to understand it's the same thing. Alright, now after installing Binance exchange on your device, next thing you have to do is make sure you deposit. You understand? Either using your P2P or your credit card. Depends on where you are. Alright. So after depositing, next thing you have to do is to buy. Alright. Now this is what we have to do. You click on trades that is seen below here. Click on trades. Now when you click on trades, this is what's going to appear. Alright. This is how it looks like after clicking on trades. Now as you can see here, we have limit, market, stop limit, and OCO. Alright. Now I'll be explaining this one by one. Alright, now limit. First thing, limit is like you negotiating with the Binance platform that okay, at this particular price, as you are seeing FTM here, 2.0908. To you, this price is too high. Alright, so now you want to buy at a lower price, maybe because you've done your TA, your technical analysis that it is possible that FTM might go below this amount. Alright, so after your analysis, you are confident it's going to go below this amount, then you just simply come here below the limit, you click on this, and you input the figures which you've done. After your analysis, you just input it, and then let's say after your analysis you feel it's going to go to 2.05. that is after your analysis, just simply put it there. Alright, that's after your analysis, you feel it's going to go down, that is you want to buy lower. Alright, so you just input your USDT, which is 100 USDT you have, input, you understand? So this is what you'll be having after doing that. Alright, okay, so it's the same thing as using sell. You understand? If you are using the sell, it's still the same thing, the same process for buy, the same process for sell. So the next one is market. Alright, as you can see here in market now, there's no way to input your figures to negotiate with the platform. You understand? You can't bargain with them. So what you have to do here is you just have to input or click on 100 or 75 or 50, as the case may be, depending on the amount of USDT you have currently in your wallet. Alright, or you can just input the amount of FTM you want to buy. Alright, as long as it doesn't exceed the amount of USDT you have, you just input the FTM there and you click on buy. Now what market does is that it gives you the best rate possible at that point in time. Do you understand? If when you want to buy it at 2.0850, as you can see it's fluctuating, and you click on buy, it will just buy immediately. Unlike limit, it will wait for that price to trigger. Do you understand? It will wait for you to get to that price in which you input before your order will be executed. So that's how it works. Alright, now the next one is stop limit. Alright, as you can see here now, this is how stop limit works. Now let's assume we want to buy FTM, and as you can see here, we want to buy at 2 point, let's say we want to buy at 2.1, no, let's say 2.02. We want to buy at 2.02. Alright, or 2.00, let's say 2.00. That's where you want to buy. Now your limit should be slightly higher than the stop. Do you understand? Because this is like the price in which you want to buy it, but you're also thinking it might go higher than that. Do you understand? So you make this, maybe when you enter the trade, it is above this 2.00. You just have to use another limit, you understand, and put maybe 2.02. you understand? So that's how limit works. Then you put your USDT you want to use and buy. That's all. The same thing with your sell. Alright, now the next one is OCO. Now, what does OCO stand for? It simply means one cancel the order. Meaning, if your take profit is triggered first, your stop loss will be cancelled. That is how it works. All right. So now, this is your take profit, this is your stop loss, and this is your order. All right. So now, looking at this now. All right, now one cancel the order simply stands for OCO, all right, or OCO simply stands for one cancel the order. Now let's assume, now I'm using BTC now, as you can see. Now let's assume we bought BTC at $40,000, all right, and I'll take profit. This first one is your take profit. You understand? I want to take profit at let's say 50,000. We'll just come and include the 50,000. All right, that is after we bought it at this amount. You understand? We bought at 45,000 and we want to take profit at 50,000. All right. So now this other one, the stop here you are saying here is going to be the amount in which Bitcoin, if it goes below this amount, it has to trigger your sell order. As you can see, we'll be using sell. All right. So here is 50,000. All right. And I want to put this at your stop loss at 45, or let's say 42. All right, so as you can see here, I said we bought BTC at let's say 50,000. I want to take profit at 55,000. We'll just put in 55,000 here, as the case may be. Then here at stop limit, let's say Bitcoin goes below the amount we bought it. You understand? We bought at 50. I want to take profit at 55, and it goes below 50. Then we'll have to put 45,000 here. So this will be our stop loss. All right. Then limit, this will be the lowest possible amount we are going to sell if it still goes below this 45,000. All right. Then here we can put 43 or 40,000. Let's use 43,000. All right. Then you put your USDT. So that's just, then you sell BTC. So even if you're not with your device, Binance is going to trigger your order for you. All right. So that is just how it works. Take time, practice, and you'll get used to it. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. All right. Next video, I'm going to show you guys how to trade Binance futures. All right. It's quite simple. You understand? It's quite simple. All right. See you in the next video, guys.